Welcome to No Face Travels, where today, I'm spilling the beans on how to travel like a local and not scream I'm a tourist from a mile away. No Hawaiian shirts, no selfie sticks, just authentic vibes. Let's dive in. Step 1. Learn the basics, and no, I'm not asking you to become fluent in Hungarian overnight. But a simple hello or thank you in the local language, pure magic. Locals appreciate the effort, even if you sound like a robot trying to speak dolphin. Next up, dressing like you belong. Leave the tourist t-shirts and bucket hats at home. Do some fashion recon before you pack. How do locals dress? And remember, matching socks are a universal language of respect. Just blend in like a chameleon. And here's the thing about tourist traps, they're crowded, overpriced, and often underwhelming. Instead, ask a local where they eat, shop, or hang out. Spoiler alert, it's never the restaurant with the words, "We speak English" sign out front. Just hang out anywhere. Nothing screams local legend like conquering public transport. Sure, you'll get lost, but isn't that part of the charm? Just make sure you're on the right train or bus, and just in case you are lost, feel free to ask the locals.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle.
Here's the golden rule, talk to people, whether it's your Airbnb host, the barista making your coffee, or a fellow hiker. Locals love sharing their favorite spots, and you might just make a friend for life, or at least for dinner. Make sure to learn a few basic local words. And finally, eat like a local. Forget the fast food chains. This is your chance to try those unpronounceable dishes that make your taste buds do their work. Pro tip, if it's deep fry, it's probably safe, I presume. Just blend in and enjoy the vibe. Remember, traveling like a local isn't about pretending to be someone else. It's about connecting with the world authentically. So pack light, stay curious, and always, always try the street food. Subscribe for more faceless adventures, and I'll see you in the next video.